Ever wondered if Yubo is really the fun, safe hangout for Gen Z as its ads claim, or if it's still a risky playground hiding serious dangers? In 2025, Yubo markets itself as a space for making instant friendships via live video, but a closer look reveals a complicated picture. The platform's past is riddled with alarming reports of minors being exposed to adults, harassment, and predatory behavior with little consequence for abusers. And while Yubo now enforces an 18 age limit and deactivates underage accounts, questions remain about how effectively this actually protects users. Age verification loopholes still exist, and moderation often falls short, leaving some users reporting predators only to face bans or silence instead of meaningful action. The free live video chat experience is appealing, but weighing it against the documented risks gives pause, especially when real complaints highlight inconsistent enforcement, harassment in public streams, and the psychological pressure of online interactions. On the flip side, Yubo does offer features like community spaces, interest-based swipes, and friend suggestions that can feel engaging and fun. And some users report positive connections and a sense of social inclusion. Yet the risk versus reward balance remains murky, even with stricter age rules in 2025. The platform's design still allows strangers to interact in ways that could lead to uncomfortable or unsafe situations. The core issue is that while Yubo aims to foster social connections for Gen Z, the combination of live video, limited moderation, and user-reported loopholes makes it hard to categorize as wholly safe or entirely dangerous. For parents, teens, and curious users alike, understanding both the improvements and persistent gaps in safety measures is crucial. Whether Yubo becomes a truly safe online space or continues to pose risks depends largely on how seriously these safety features are enforced in practice, and whether users are aware of and prepared for the platform's potential pitfalls.